Today is the day, October 8th. This game got announced in what, June, July? After 19 years. Been a long time, long time. You know, due to scalpers, people just buying up copies, using bots, whatever. I was actually able to get my hands on a special edition. So I had to go all out. Big fan of Metroid, big fan of Samus. That's my go-to in Smash Brothers. So I'm a big fan, huge fan. So I needed this. And me and one of my homeboys, we was looking for months, looking for the special edition. Nowhere to be found. Amazon, eBay, GameStop, Walmart, Best Buy. Man, Radio Shack, if they even around still. Everywhere. They were nowhere to be found. They were nowhere to be found at all. Nowhere. It was all out of stock. I got a message from Twitter. This guy that posts a lot of different video games that are coming out in different, you know, editions. His name is like Wario64. And he actually put out a link to go get it. So the Wario dude, so he sent the link and I was able to get it. I was able to put it in my cart and I was able to buy it. And I went and drove and picked it up today. My first review ever, you know, opening up the box, opening up the, you know, showing the different content and all of that. So this is my first time doing that. So I hope y'all enjoy this, but let's get started. So I got it from Best Buy, so y'all can see. And look at this bad boy. Beautiful. Look at the side of it. Look at my dog Samus. I'm ready to go crazy, man. What it says, it comes with the game, steel book, art cards, all of that. So I'll definitely be keeping this box. Came with some stickers. That's what that looked like. I'm not a big sticker person, but I'm gonna find something to put it on. Maybe I'll put it on my Switch dock or something like that. But yeah, so it comes with this too as well right there. So, you know, some decals to put on, you know, anything, your phone, laptop. Let's get to opening it right now. Man, for all y'all Metroid fans, I hope y'all was able to get your hand on a copy because this was tough. I literally got it the day of at midnight and ordered it on Best Buy. Oh, that's nice. So, we're gonna start unwrapping this stuff. First unwrapping ever. So that's what comes on the inside. We got the, dang, I don't even know what that is. Well, we're gonna open that up in a second. You can see the Emmy in the background lurking. The hard case for it. Nice. And there go the game right there. This is nice. It's a real nice case. It reminds me of the Resident Evil 4 case. If y'all remember that collector's edition, it was like a blue case, blue and black, and it was hard metal just like this. It's nice material. That's real nice. So that brings me back. My uncle, he introduced me to Resident Evil 4, so he had a similar case like that, but it was Resident Evil. So I believe this is the that's probably the art book. Okay, so these probably the art cards right there. So we'll open this first. yeah, I grew up a Metroid fan ever since a little boy. So I'm really excited about this. This is crazy retro right there for the Nintendo back in the day. So it'll come with these cards, and I'll probably hang these up somewhere, or I might just keep them safe as a collectibles. So here, let me get a little closer. So yeah, and it comes with, it comes with 5. It's from Super Metroid. Oh duh, all regular Metroid games. This is a 5th installment, so 5 cards. And this is from Super Metroid, Super Nintendo. Real hard game. This game had me frustrated when I first played it. Super hard. But it's a good game though. People think this is the best game of all time. I mean, the game is what, 30 years old? Crazy. And this was a great game too. I was able to beat this about maybe, I think I first beat this about 12 years ago. It was hard to get it for Game Boy Advance, so I was able to emulate it on I emulated it through my Wii U, and it was like a Game Boy Advance ISO through like the homebrew channel, so I was actually able to beat this. Real good game. I like the fusion, the suit, you know. So this was real good. This is a real good game. I like this one. And then we got the bad boy right here. You know, Metroid Dread. If y'all can see that. Nice. So yeah, so 5 cards total. So it'll go from Metroid 1, 2, 3, Super Metroid, 4, Game Boy Advance, Metroid Fusion, and then 5, 19 years later. Nintendo, y'all can't keep doing that. Just stop it. And then Metroid 5 for the Switch. Latest installment, y'all. Still waiting on that Metroid Prime 4. Still waiting on that. But yeah, so we'll put these up. I'll lay them all down for y'all to see. All 5. And then we got this to open up. And this is what mission logs. And I'm pretty sure that's the art book right there, so we'll get that open. Real nice. Texture's real nice. It kind of pops up like 3D. Y'all probably can't really see that, but it's real nice. Nicely crafted. There's the front page right there. Not too much of anything. And this book is thick, y'all. I'm talking. And at least over maybe 70 pages. Easy. And then got classic Samus right there. That's from Metroid 1. Oh yeah, that's pretty clean. I like that. They need to make this girl her own movie. It's about time. Whether it's animated, shoot, or live action, it don't matter. And I am for Brie Larson playing her if it's live action, for sure. I know a lot of people don't like her, but nah, she's a good actor. And people talked about lack of emotion. Yeah, that's perfect for Samus. So this is page 6. This is some of the creatures all throughout the game. I hate those with a passion. Those things so annoying on Super Metroid. But yeah, man, that's a lot of art in here. A whole bunch. Whole bunch of art. Real cool. Power-ups and stuff. So this is Samus from Metroid 2, Return of Samus. Definitely beat that and beat that for the DS as well. I was on that game all day long. But yeah, wish I could show you it all, but it's pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. Real cool, real cool. Yeah, man, this is well put together by Nintendo. This is like, I think of my 3rd ever special editions I've ever collected. I remember getting the Ultimate Spider-Man Collector's Edition or Special Edition back in 05 when that came out. I had the Mortal Kombat Shaolin Monks Special Edition, and this is my 3rd Special Edition game that I ever had, so I'm excited for this. It's gonna be good. Screw attack. Yeah, this is neat. Alright, that's from Metroid Zero Mission. Not Fusion. But yeah. So, enough of that. Well, y'all, that was my review. That was me opening up the special edition of Metroid. Hopefully y'all got your hands on one. If not, I would keep on trying, you know, because it is out there. I thought all hope was lost because I literally got it today at midnight. So, yeah, man, y'all keep looking. Amazon is putting them out. Walmart, Best Buy. I think they out of stock, though. But so far, I've seen Amazon and Walmart upload more copies. So, y'all should definitely get it. Y'all should enjoy the game. It's going to be tough. It's going to be hard. Lot of secrets to find out, so I'm big on that. I searched every corner of any room, any area, in any game, so I'm gonna have fun with this for sure. I'm gonna have fun with this. So yeah, man, it's your boy Smack, man. This is my first review of, you know, opening up everything, checking it out. So I hope y'all liked it. It's time to plug that bad boy up and put in the switch, man, and get to going. So I hope y'all liked it, man. It's your boy Smack, and I'm out. Peace.